Tax Tip Tuesday, brought to you by Stadler and Company, the tax pros.
Tax Tip Tuesday. Lori is back with us, and today this one is good information. If you're somebody who has a side hustle, does a little freelance work, and tax time rolls around and you're like, what do I do? We got some answers today, right?
That's right.
I think a lot more people are doing this nowadays, freelancing.
I think so too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do you see it more often? And
We're seeing quite a few people. I have a lot of consultations for, hey, I've started a photography business, or I've started doing this on the side or that on the side. So we're seeing a lot of that.
Wow. Okay. Well, then let's just get right to it, because there's some important information that you need to know. Starting with, okay, so you could be an LLC, or you could just be, I'm on my own and I'm my own business. Either way, you got to report it, right?
Right. And either way, whether you're an LLC or if you're just doing it on your own, you do need to report all of that income. You would do that on your Schedule C as part of your regular 1040.
Okay. That's like Japanese to me. That Schedule C is that's why you go to her. I don't even know what that means. But in all honesty, that is important information. And for those that have the side business, you probably do know. Now, here's the one that gets me every time. You're supposed to report all income, even cash. Okay, let's be honest. There's people that just don't. I mean, is it traceable?
It is. They don't always put the time and energy into it, but if they determine that they're going to, they can look at your lifestyle and your expenses and what you own and say, does this match what we're seeing coming in and out of your bank account and what you've reported on your tax return? And they do that.
Really? So you may think they might not come after you, but you might be wrong, and if so, you might be in trouble and owe the IRS some money.
It can happen, yeah.
Wow. Okay, good to know. Yeah. Now, if you're not an employee, meaning that this is a freelance thing for you, what does ordinary and necessary expenses mean?
So that means anything that business would need to use to run the business. Okay. Right? So you are being effectively a business owner when you freelance. And so anything that you need. So if you're a photographer, like we talked earlier, you would need film, you would need printing supplies, anything along those lines are ordinary and necessary.
What about cell phones? Because, I mean, you would need that to book your clients.
Most of the time, now, if you have a phone and you use it more than half of the time for business use, then you can take the percentage that you use it.
Wow, okay, interesting. Yeah. Good information to have. Yeah. Still some other tips, though, that we need to think about, and that is if you're working out of your house and you have a dedicated space, say you have a photography studio or you have an office where you keep everything, you can actually write that off as well?
Yeah, just like the cell phone, your mileage on your vehicle, the same thing for your house. So if it does have to be a dedicated space. It can't be a spare bedroom with the bed and once in a while you go in there and do office work. But if it's a dedicated space, you can take a percentage of your household expenses for your business.
And again, I come up with the question, is the IRS going to knock on your door one day and be like, let me see your office? I mean, could they do that?
They might. I usually ask for a picture.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Just to say, look, it looks like a dedicated space.
Now, be prepared to pay self-employment tax. When you told me this one, I about fell off my chair.
Yeah, it's about 15%. Wow. When you're an employee, you pay part of that Social Security and Medicare tax out of your paycheck. Your employer pays the other half. When you're self-employed, that whole amount is paid by you as self-employment tax.
And that's 15.5%?
15.3%.
Oh, well, whatever. It's close enough. That's a lot of money.
It's a lot of money.
So people out there watching right now need to know that if they're making more as a freelancer than $30,000, there's ways you can help them save.
Yes. So if that freelancing and that side gig turns into a little bit more at $30,000 or better, then there are a lot of strategies that we can employ to actually save thousands of dollars when it comes to paying that tax bill.
Wow. Well, one reason why, if you're a freelancer, you need to check out and be aware of all the things they can do at Stadler and Company. And you don't even have to be having a freelance business. You guys are there to help all the time. Great website. What's your website?
It's StadlerTax.com.
And if you want to call, what's the number?
It's 812-478-2800.
The information is on the screen, and so is the QR code. You can scan that. It'll take you right to the website, get all the information there. Call and schedule your appointment. And definitely, if you've got this side hustle or you're in the freelance business, you want to make an appointment because you want to save all the money you can.
That's absolutely right.
Oh my gosh. Well, thanks for coming in.
It's always a pleasure.
Always a pleasure. Tax Tip Tuesdays continue through tax season here on Good Day Live. Stay with us.